What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can recover your deleted TikTok videos on TikTok. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do first, you have to open up your TikTok app. After opening the TikTok, you have to go to your profile. So I'm going to delete this video and showing you that how you can recover it. So let's delete this video. Deleting it, what you need to do, you have to go to on your three dot bar icon. I'm going to show you that how you can recover it. Then you have to click on settings and privacy. So after that you have to scroll a little bit and click on activity center. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to activity center, what you need to do, you have to click on recently deleted. After clicking on this, you will find your deleted videos from TikTok. So I'm going to recover it. What you need to do, you have to click on the video that you want to recover. Then you will see a option called restore. You have to click on this option. Then you will see a pop-up, restore this post. They will ask you to confirm this. Then you have to click on restore. So after that you have to go back to your profile and you just have to refresh a little bit one more time, and you can see my video is back up on my TikTok ID. So this is how you can recover your TikTok videos, deleted TikTok videos on your TikTok app. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.